Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 LDV Deliver 9, stock number 6312. This ran from the 7th 2020 to the current shape. It has an SV 2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SV 2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, right rear door no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch fixed LDV mag good tyre, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror with sunglass holder, a front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,